Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video I'm gonna show different types of amazing pebble decoration ideas, different amazing pebble jewelry, pebble necklace, different amazing pebble sketched necklace, and it is very new and beautiful ideas you can see, and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and don't forget to my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.